We've got another latte inspired makeup look. We all love the latte makeup look. This one is called the hot chocolate makeup look, so I'm actually excited to dive into it. At first I was like, well, it's a little similar to latte makeup and also espresso, but there's different shades of brown just like us, so let's get into it. Skin prep is done. Skin is glowing, guys. If you have not watched my winter nighttime skincare routine, please go watch these videos that I'll be putting right up there, so you know how I also skin prep as well. Let's do the underpainting method. You want to do your makeup super quick, do the underpainting method. It's super easy. You can start with a concealer first, the contour, bronzer from the cover. For foundation, I'm using the UJV Beauty in the shade M7 Deep Bronze. Guys, let's talk about packaging. Hello, fine concealer, flawless finish. It is light, but it's not as light as I would want it. I'm definitely gonna get a lighter shade. We will look crazy before we look flawless. Let's blend all of this. Before we blend, we spray. We blend. Blending is key when it comes to the underpainting method. Go and blend bronzer, blending inwards, not outwards. Look at how flawless all of that. You cannot tell me UJV Beauty foundation doesn't bang. Excuse me? Look at the glow. I love it bright under eye. I'm using the UJV Beauty loose powder set around where I put concealer. I just don't set only my under eye. I was thinking to go for an orange blusher, but I'm just gonna go in with a pinkish peach, actually an eyeshadow from Glam. This, oh, okay, pigment. I'm using the same fine concealer just to prime my eyes. Glory from Makeup Revolution matte lip. I'm going to put this on the lid, so I'm using it and I'm just going all over the eyes. So putting the bronzer just on the top just to blend that out, and I'm kind of just winging it out. As you can see, guys, it's going. So I'll be using the Glam Lot of Lava palette, and I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow. It's like a brownie, but it's got some gold. It's like a dark brown, but it's got gold bits in it. I love the way it's just like glowing, glistening. And can we talk about the pigment in the eyeshadow? I'm just getting a black eyeshadow and I'm just lining it up and also just blending in this eyeshadow. So we got our lashes on. Let's do the bottom eyeshadow. I'm going in with the same liquid matte lipstick. I'm also just smudging it. We're just gonna put a little bit here. I'm loving how this is looking already. It's so sultry. Putting a little bit of gold in my inner corner. We're gonna set our face one more time. Using Easy Bake from Huda Beauty just to brighten under the eye. So I went to highlight my nose and my cheeks, my Cupid's bow. I'm gonna be lining my lips. You guys know it's my holy grail. Line with a black liner. Berlin soft matte lip cream, and it's literally about to finish, guys. I'm literally draining it out because it was one of my empties. And I'm gonna just dip in with the black. Going in with the Glam Set It Through glossy lip. It's got a bit of a golden iridescent, and I'm gonna just put that on. Look at that. So guys, this is the final hot chocolate makeup look, perfect for the holidays, for people who want something simple and easy, something neutral in the neutral side but still glam. And I came up with this look. The eyes are stunning. There's a bit of a shimmer in there and it's like a dark chocolate. Absolutely gorgeous. I love every single bit of this makeup. I hope you guys did enjoy this makeup look. For watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and happy holidays to you. My uploads are gonna be a little less this time because I'm gonna have family around and my studio is been squashed to the side because, you know, it's time to just celebrate with the family. I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.